Hello, and we're back. Are you ready to go on our mission, Einsteins? Little Mouseketeers? Mouseketeer Einsteins. Are you ready? Let's sing our song. We're going on a mission and our favorite rocket trip, zooming through the skies. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone to rocket, grab it up now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, we're in space. We're in our solar system. Say that word with me. Solar system. It's a big word. It's 2 words. Okay. So in our solar system, we have 8 planets. Can you say planets? Planet. Planet. So it has 2 syllables. So let's try to spell planet. Okay. Planet. Pl, pl. What makes the pl sound or the p sound? The p, p, p. P. What makes the l sound? The l sound. L. Pl. That makes the pl sound. Now, and what makes the sound? A. Pl. Now, what makes the n sound? Pl. N. Plan. We have the pl. Plan. N. N. What makes the n sound? N. N makes the n sound. It. Plan it. What makes the it sound? Okay. Some of you might say the E or the E, the I or the E. Ugh. Now, what makes the t sound? Planet. What makes the t sound? The T. T. So the actual spelling is P-L-A-N. This is where it splits up. Planet. 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 So it's actually the E. So it's, let's see, P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet. That's the spelling of planet. Okay. Now, how many planets did I say we have? How many did Miss Trina say? Huh? Let's go back. I gave it to you already. We have 8 planets in our solar system. 8. 8 planets. Okay. So we're going to flip this over. And now we're going to talk about the planets in our solar system, okay? So we're out in space. So the first thing that's out in space that you see, that everything that it controls all the planets in our solar system, is the sun. We have the sun. The sun. So, do you know what the first planet that's near the sun? This planet that's the closest to the sun. It's gray, and it takes 59 days to make a rotation, but only 88 days to circle the sun. It's the largest planet. not the largest planet. It's believed to be the core of a larger planet. So they don't think that it's actual a planet altogether. They think it's the core of a planet. But it's big. Um, it's hot. However, it does have ice there, but it's hot. It's hot there, and it's airless. There's no life on this planet, and it doesn't have a moon. There's no moon. This planet is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet to the sun on the first rim. All right. So the second planet, number 2. Do you have a guess? This planet is pale yellow, which on my picture, it may not look that color because of my color of the ink in my printer. Okay. So it's pale yellow, and it's the brightest planet in our sky. And you can sometimes see it with your eye. You can sometimes see it with your eye if you know exactly where to look. Um, and this planet is Venus. Venus. That planet is Venus. So we have the Sun, the Mercury, Venus. The third planet. Do anybody know what the third planet is? It's where we live. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. I think Miss Trina's gonna have to do it this way to get all of them up there. Let's do it at an angle. So that way I can have. So Earth is the third planet from the sun. It's also called the water planet. Uh, um, it's called the water planet because it's made of mostly of water. And its color is, when you look from the sky, when you look into the sky, it looks blue and white. And that's because all you see is the water and the clouds. It takes 24 hours in one day. And guess what? While it's day for us on one side of Earth, on the other side, it's nighttime for them. So as the sun comes up, it's a new day on one side, and as the sun sets, it's as the sun is up on one side, it's night for another person, but as the sun goes down for us, it's night for us, but it's a new day for the other people on the other side of the world. So you know how they say we have 365 days in a year? Aha! I found out that it's actually 365 and 1/4 days to make a complete rotation to make a year. So, do you know how we get leap years? Aha! We get leap years because all the 1/4 of the days tally up, so we get a leap year. So that add up to be one day, and this happened every fourth year. So every fourth year, we get 366 days. So this year we had a leap year. So 4 more years from now, so 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, it should be another leap year. Another leap year. And we have one moon. One moon. Okay. And now we're going to talk about our fourth planet. So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth. What do you think the fourth planet is? Hmm. Well, this fourth planet is red, has the largest volcano, it has two moons, it's fairly calm most of the time, but it has dust storms. And with the dust storms, it constantly changes the surface on this planet. This planet is Mars. Mars. Okay? Our fifth, one, two, three, four, five, our fifth planet is the largest planet in the solar system. and it spins very quickly on its axis. So, with that being said, one day on Jupiter, one day is 9 hours and 55 minutes. On Earth, our one day is 24 hours. Theirs is 9 hours. It has violent storms because it has red dots on it. One big is a big red dot. And it's the most severe storm that we have in our solar system. So it's always storming there. Um, it also has rings, but it's not defined. We can't see it with our naked eye or anything. You have to wait until it gets closer to the sun, and then that's when you can see the rings when it gets closest to the sun. So our one, two, three, four, five, six. Our sixth planet is it has the most beautiful rings. It's the one that we can see the rings. It's Saturn. Saturn has the largest rings. They're so wide and so big, and they're believed to have just they keep spinning, and within it is crystals from other things that have exploded. And I think it says stars, um, moons, moons that have broken up, and within that their rings and stuff because of the gravity force. That's what causes it and everything. So they have the rings and then the little things up under it, asteroids up under it that creates it, that holds it there. Um, it's the second largest planet. It has over 60 moons. Jupiter, let me go back, has over 50 moons. Let's see. So, and one day on Saturn, it's 10 hours. And then it takes 29 and a half years to make one. It takes 29 and a half years to make one trip around, to make a year. Okay. Let's see. Our one, two, three, four, five, six. Our seventh planet is Uranus. And Saturn's color is pale gold. Uranus' color is a pale, beautiful blue. And it's said to have a blue gray haze, but it's very beautiful, the colors. Um, let's see. Whew. It took its first lap around the sun in 2011. It takes 165 Earth years just to make one trip around the sun. It has a dark spot on it, and that's a storm that's on it. Um, it's very windy on Uranus. Okay, now let's count. Let's see what number we're on now so we can find that planet, okay? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We're on our eighth planet, and it is Neptune. Like Uranus, it's also blue. It's also blue, okay? And on Neptune, Miss Trina messed up. I messed up. Uranus actually, um, it has rings. Let me go back. Miss Trina messed up. Um, you really don't see them as defined as Saturn. So you know how I was saying it takes 165 years to go around the sun? That's actually Neptune. That's actually Neptune I was talking about. I'm sorry. I apologize. And it's very windy on Neptune. There's no life on no other planet but Earth. This is the only planet that right now has humans, has life. The other ones, they're too hot, too cold at certain times. And also, there's no oxygen, which what we need in order to survive. So, when Miss Trina was in school, there was a planet. We had 9 planets, but they took it away. But they brought it back as a dwarf planet, and it is Pluto. Pluto. And they took it because Pluto, every now and then, it floats off and it goes closest to the sun and then it comes back. And then sometimes it just goes, it drifts. They don't know if it's going to stay within or it's going to float out or go move about. So they call it a dwarf planet. All right. Um, and that is our planets in our solar system. Okay. So I want you to think of the colors and what do you think about the colors and the shapes of them? They're all in a circle or a sphere shape. Some of them have rings and some of them don't. Saturn has rings. Uranus has rings. Jupiter has rings. So, Earth has a moon. Jupiter has moon. And Saturn has moons. I'm just going back to revamp and let's go on over some things. So, we're the third planet. Earth is our planet. We're the third one from the sun. And we're made up of the blue and the white. And the blue is because we mostly have the bodies of oceans that we have all on our planet. And the little green is, and the brown is the land on the planet. Okay? All right. That's our planet wrap up. Bye bye.